Kwesi Walanyo Wallace akudie catch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono quantum coordinates mawdo esa kanano pensu bio e Ghana agudim ejaw shano soma se nyuma ko miensa omna bom ska dweteme na no pay ye den common eba the campaign 1x bet I've always told you that betting there is better than saka wani team sell 1x bet boys the team hidi edi bro nya nanu ada new year sunday the easter so no na die open financial freedom there fa hojim 1x bet ne hinta sema bet a chinse twa befu a ana udin befu twa ne kuma bia odi ne kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma wo fasefo na mukunu eno mpnafo ina se open bet there 1x bet ne mum bet with money that you can afford to lose ka yira nya ya no eno ana yedi etwa bet Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odi a fu a pampas be pomo nas no edro ba ko etu asese home ne boa e ma onya e ya hoden etimesa ko adwuma so no Sedimo gel and roll-on bo modin ada se on sabetia ka bi odo wani kire mu e wa shama me market an sabetia ka bi na fetema so enye na hokra obetia friend pain for se utu bi akoto ana se woto na odi aye ho no 0208219129 na fe oni Sedimo gel and roll-on phone pain phone so ye ntwetwe nkomo ye nhwemwa ma onsa intimi Cancer Product TV. Jeffas Mr. Edutentashi infections edu gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fever na so di po na chwa. Onsa timi ka Jeffas edu eboa e prapra harawa no mbre bon ma timi di nchineche. Okoye ba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma also pe Jeffas Mr. Edu and ebetia boa e ma niama etia tutu ye dia ma we mu ene sponsors ne mu etuturu to ne twetwuru twa mo ta kira boa me na no pen so ye dia wo kensi unsempa saka 8 mejaw. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step. Ye shase e de afi the senior national women soccer team Black Queens of Ghana. Omani abre den pass afi Olympic Games ombetia qualify na 2024. Omde omani etia sa kira se me ne okasa de 23 tried and tested ladies ana pemfo tia pa oma omabu marketing e de afi eye enkramponi mantema omde omani ache gini ahinkro kona krema om ekohwe anim se nyame adoma efiada ebe no omde first leg encounter omde gini emaiwa no ebetimi de sakins kesen etia sa pems we at the first round of the qualifiers ebo e de akọ Paris 2024 bibia betwem na se niam timi tutu mu na fiada kensi ne basu ya na se ohwema na se fiada kensi ne no 9 ana sakins kesen ne betia to fenemum return leg encounter ne pemfo a se Tuesday on the 18th of July bibia nso betwem Ghana for enso betia sa jigini for na ene om de kensi ne tia sa 10 times 20 we ene hyehye so kokra eno so 18 pm e de ama the senior national women soccer team Black Queens of Ghana na maame ani din ene Nora Hotel woni bruni fita woyetene ede ema we ne komodeja ahead of Omoni Guinea clash no eni.
No, look, for me pressure is a privilege because first of all we put a lot of pressure on ourselves. We want to go and qualify for the Olympics, of course.
You relax, this is football, so you don't have to, panic or anything. Like, you need to have the confidence, so we approach the game quite easily, and yeah, we win the game.
And Linda Eshon Sahima Edema, the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana, or defender, a man for Becca by way on the 5th of August 1992 near Wono, where 30 years and something, and he, when the captain Marwana Shesebia, near Mabitia Kuye Ediamom, or Linda, and so actually Quandia, or a 5 feet 1 inch tall, next with an answer pie, or Macan Tam Edwin Sear, air to Pia Fajansin, and Yadoma, or Meshabwa, Emaniama Etia Kuye, Eddie Amatimino. If you want to find each on crowd from there, there's a flag bearer, a hopeful for MPP. Kwabena e Japan enra etu nanum to de nkomo kakra etime san twemu oguso kasa na no kire sampa former journalist wedi e agudie ni makotene pen no de nkomo enso etime san jafa agudie no ho se we ni hyehye a ugide paso betime san di so se mpanyfo etime abom tim koje pen se wombedi Ghana so behwa boa e ma agudie no ai dokodoko e be frem nkomo ni nie.
Football is a spectator sport. You can't have the sport successfully when there's nobody in the stadium. Of course, there's competition now because of satellite television and everybody has access to the Premier League outside and all that. But it doesn't stop governments from being very deliberate about it, to support our team. Now, I'll give you one example. Ghana has been to previous World Cups, I think 4 or so over the last 5 times. The money that we made, it never filtered down to where it matters most, Cole's football, which should be a production line of talent. And that is what we have been used to. I cannot for the life of me understand why members of executive committees or members of Black Stars management committees can apportion to themselves $100,000 each just for being members of that committee. and when clubs don't have money to pay their players, Premier Division clubs. So we need to have a sit down with the stakeholders. It's very important. And in times past, we had a system that used to work. Strong collaboration between the football teams and their local communities and also the government. The government represents the community. You cannot take government away from football administration. I was totally against that attempt. And I forewarned them in 2006 when it was being done. But they didn't listen. And now look at where we have landed. I think we should have a stakeholder discussion, go back to the basics, the things that used to work for us, the collaboration between GALCA, which is the clubs associations, and the government who provide the resources that we need to build the facilities and support our footballers. It is not right that your taxpayers' money will be used to support the Black Stars to go to the World Cup, but then when they make money out of the World Cup, it is not accounted to us, the Ghanaians. And then the whole ladder, the hierarchy of football never gets to a share in what we get out of these World Cups. So I think I am a football person, I'm a sports person generally. I do believe, and I said it, that we cannot be the jack of all. You know, we have talent in soccer, there's no doubt. We've been great in boxing with the likes of Azuma Nelson, and then athletics, Alisanu and the rest. So we have competitive advantage there. If we concentrate on the schools, and that is why I'm going to reconfigure the Ministry of Sports to go back to its natural home education. So if you look at my 19 ministries, and I'm sure the media has the press pack, it is there clearly for you. You see that youth and sports.
Inti flag bearer who for MPP Kwabena Japan and attend can so be configure a ministry no and youth and sports na for mahwe se be betua samboa na agudi no aside the winning koma ono so e de etudwa but yes na komu bio no the current minister for youth and sports ono so den komo kakra tua saba honorable Yusuf Mustafa na asemo kan se ono so hwe nim se kwan bias no omden hyehyɛ fofo ebetia gu akwan mu ebetia boa e ma Ghana football enso asanfa ne tama pefra.
Football Association must take critical look at the current approach and embrace new vision for the future. Our Premier League clubs have lost their competitive edge in the time to reclaim our position among the African best. The FA, club owners, club administrators, key stakeholders must invest in all aspects of the game to attract more fans into our league centers and regain our prominence in African club competition. Let us develop strategies to make our domestic league more attractive and competitive and financially sustainable.
Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Minister for Youth and Sports, now attending Council, none of the PMO Congress of the Great Wall Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, no, or this uncle so 18 Eseja Honum. Now, what you may dinner seno, Anna, a Komok Bibrina, the PPMO, or GFA 29th Ordinary Congress Session, the Timesa Basono, na PRO, Edema Georgia Kwesi Free Campaign, a Achakon Kwesi from Pont, on also then Komoka Cretian Saba, Nasmo Kan Nanse, on the GD pass, a Nkrumah paying for. A tia guaso a boy a Congress national we bring na enkuntumpo ene na brabansem
sa enipa titiroti to omabo brain society omudi omusika ye football omdom hard and sweat football emfataku ana asempo amre omo ne mo no kobre edinyo omusika ne se kwatere kwa oru aketokire kusi so obema ntuma afiri a obema basa kohwe ne 2019 manifesto num promises o make ye no emu maako 50 wantima so failing ni nyina enti dia obegina Congress grants or shebo say obey $100,000 e dia akoto footballs obeto buses 30 achama class no ni nyina e darga no kure ba kokura nim opeso dada delegates no meto aba no no monto aba no ma no say jai owura ket e ma yesend football she ne nsabiema Ghana football begu Nigerfo omni amodru o mehye woto Burundi mu nyina ba be hye okrom ha enti owura ket okreku no dia oye no Congress grants na se no yes Oba Obeisu the platform to campaign, but yeah, was also declaring intentional. But Obia opese ohun se football for J Owura Ketokre kutuma. Me pa talk pay video no. Ebra Owura Ketokre ku and now so se obe
Nti Acheku Kwesi Frimpong personal person de ma George Akwesi Fie and attending council de nkomo so 8 Seja no ne me to mesrebo kwan boxing ekutubo ho nsem na ekuma Ghana ehwe nim se kwan bia so betimi de boxing agudie bi etian certain times so ne ana sa justify inclusion Ghana boxing ama their level no and also 8 sa toja na me no ka say de ohwese ne ma Asia course na Ghana ni Abrantie Fence Francis Ofori Asare ono ana ehwe nim se kwan bia so no wo mo ebetimi ahwe na maton sande afre Freezy McBone ono so ebo na kutubo ewo UK na afi watian be kasa team no maboa ema Olympic qualification to France against kese beba so Paris no Ghana etian kobi coach Ofori Asare ne nkomo a odija ni efa Freezy McBone ho
no share boxes nti obia or good boss ayepe no oba na say oba justify no ho because there are other Ghanaian bosses are almost won the weight class no they are also dreaming some more Olympics games nti anye easy way keke oba he has to justify so justify na so proof no one pa no problem
okay
obia
okay nti finally dey na uka
finally me sambo hobby say yehiamoa corporate bodies and as individuals omonga sa betuma ye bibidi abo boxing omonbra me boy boxing yen problems in terms of financing and to say other sports and yakesi bia nti so omba na so omba boy omo support no good for nothing omo ba omo say e be ma on mileage omo hwehwe no
International coach Ofori Asare no kita the Ghana amateur boxing team no and ne almost starting ti okwa Cross Sports Studio man of 22 year obekọ na sempen for bodwa ho mo hwe nim se kwabia some the competition ne bet in time so efi sabria enkopim fieda ana ye try boxers ne testium na fie nyankofo ebeginem ewo amateur level no e de ama o my Ghana we su na megina na me de ne enkomo so esihye no so ma me say don kumi be da na fiadoma 1xbet o ne touch the boy medicine so create breo Jeffas Mr. e de Jeffas do it hwe no infections but more than that, some submitting can be said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. You can have DD a proper chip bomb and Yama 822 year the Madama. Womo and a bomb chido, men and pencil. Yadia will cancel one senpai and Sakano 8 ejao. Chanusmam say we teach me dear and a maushi, bubuashi, kandishi, abubulushi, feda baka coping bomeka, dan suma dakuma kufudia, sum some kidibodia smakes a biman pontefa dictate crachi cupim sedu. Winiba kaswanya no kwati mpoko so jamai akosumu enenesia so ga kopeda bala hoho ikochi to adi dome edu eni chenko ko bom bu nkwatia ekona na do mahina tran ewo do mahinkru twemko sunya ko brekum fo ni kire dua yankwanta bubu aketemfo ni twensa chema ko pie mezimaland amamfo a ehwe enya asem ketwa erade ntene ni ma onyifi bebe ni da so ni fa ko bebe ni da so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.